If you're someone who wants to create viral AI videos, grow views fast, and build an audience without showing your face, and your goal is to turn content into real opportunities and income, this video is for you. Right now, there's an AI video format blowing up everywhere. You've probably seen it. Giant monsters standing on skyscrapers, cinematic chaos, millions of views across social media. Before we jump in, drop a comment and tell me which monster you want to see next. Dragon, gorilla, dinosaur, something completely crazy? I'll pick a few comments and turn them into videos. Now let me show you exactly how this is done. I've tested this format with different monsters, cities, and styles, and the results are honestly insane. The best part is how simple it actually is. No advanced editing, no expensive software, and no AI experience required. Let's break this down step by step. Everything starts with ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs and search for a custom GPT called Skyscraper Monster. Click Start Chat and it'll ask you 4 simple questions. For this example, here's exactly what we're using: monster or animal, giant hippopotamus, liquid or element, lava, city, New York City, person, skip this step. Once you submit those answers, the GPT generates a cinematic text-to-image prompt for you. This prompt is important. Copy it, because it's the foundation of the entire video. Quick pause. If this breakdown is already helping you, make sure to hit the like button. It helps the channel a lot and lets me know to keep making content like this. Now, let's turn this into visuals. Next, head over to Google Flow. Go to the Image Generation tab and click Create Image. Here's how to set it up. Select Nano Banana Pro model. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Upload a photo of yourself or whoever you want featured. Set aspect ratio to 9:16. Set output per prompt to 4. Once you click Generate, Google Flow will create cinematic images with dramatic lighting and a massive sense of scale. Pick the strongest one. That's the image we'll animate next. By the way, if you want to learn more about other AI concepts that are trending right now, click the I button above. I've linked another video where I break down more AI strategies you can use to grow faster. Alright, back to the build. Still inside Google Flow, switch to the Frames to Video tab. Use these exact settings. Select the VO 3.1 Fast model. Set aspect ratio to 9:16. Paste the video prompt from the document linked in the description. Click Create and let it render. This step adds motion, sound, and depth. And that's what makes the video feel cinematic instead of static. This format works so well because it grabs attention instantly, feels larger than life, performs extremely well on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok, and doesn't require you to show your face or speak on camera. That's why creators are scaling entire pages with this exact strategy. I've linked all the tools and prompts I used in this video in the description so you can follow along step by step. If you want more AI strategies, viral content formats, and smart ways to grow online, make sure you subscribe to Chase Profit. And if this video helped you, like it, share it, and support the channel. It really means a lot. I'll see you in the next one.